Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add custom token in Trust Wallet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Trust Wallet application, which of course I have done right here. The first thing you have to do is to type in your passcode, which resulted in the blackout that we had initially. But then let's hop into today's tags. Now, Trust Wallet is a secure self-custody crypto wallet that supports 10 million plus assets across 70 plus blockchains, including crypto. Now, you can buy, sell, swap, transfer, and earn cryptocurrencies all in one place. Now, isn't that fantastic? So now that we know what Trust Wallet is about, let's hop into today's task, which is how to add custom token in Trust Wallet. So from here in this homepage, you're going to see where you have crypto and then you have NFTs. All right, so scroll the way down and you're going to find this manage crypto option. So go ahead and click on manage crypto. So here you have all the cryptos in one space where you can manage, of course. But then at the top right corner, you're going to see that plus icon. Okay, you're going to see the plus icon. So go ahead and click on that plus icon. And once you click on this plus icon, you can now add your custom token. So add the network, all right. Add the network, let's see, another kind of network. So select assets. What are we going to? Okay, so just select assets, right? So let's say the asset is Ethereum or whatever assets that you have here. Just select your assets that you want to add. So once you have done that, go ahead and copy the address of the token that you want to add. Let's say you have it in another wallet. So copy the address of the token, paste it here, or you can even scan the QR code by using the scan option. Now, after doing that, add the name of the wallet, the custom wallet that you want, or the custom token, rather, custom token. Add the address of the token, the new token that you want to add the name of the token, add the symbol of the token, and add the decimals. Now, once you do that, go ahead and click on the import button. After clicking on the import button, you're going to see that your custom token will now be added into your Trust Wallet. You can even head over to network, but it's token that we want, not network, right? So token, so it has to be in this token tab. So that's pretty much the process. It's how you can add custom token in Trust Wallet. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.